This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Moran. Ready early 2025. Still time to personalize. Rightsizing your life at our single-story, 55-plus condominium community designed west/your lifestyle in mind. The Lombardy features an open floor plan west/high ceilings and space to spread out yet remains cozy and inviting. The kitchen features a large center island west/great counter and cabinet space. Elegant primary bedroom with tray ceiling, walk-in closet and primary bath west/full ceramic shower/bench/framed glass door. Private courtyard access from the kitchen and sunroom. Study with glass French doors and transom. This home features a finished room/full bath above an attached 2-car garage. Clubhouse, workout room, pool, pickleball, dog park. A beautiful countryside setting with the convenience of Suffolk's business center, medical corridor, Obici Hospital, groceries, shops, and dining close by. The Vineyards at Hallstead Reserve. A single-story, 55-plus condominium community designed with your lifestyle in mind. December 6, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Moran at 757-240-8680.